Hi everyone, Rainy here, and just an update on my mold situation. I went to Walmart and got this stuff, which is house and siding zero scrub, supposed to work on mold and mildew and all this, and you just spray it and wipe it and dirt is gone. Wrong commercial. But you're supposed to just spray it, leave it on there, and just let it dry itself. It said over the next couple days and it should be fine. Problem is, it says that when you do it over 45 degrees, we don't have any more over 45 degrees. It's been 30 and 32 all week. Today, it went down below 32. You can see I have, well, you can't see, but I have mud everywhere, so it's starting to defrost a bit. It's actually about 39, 40. So, and it's supposed to rain tomorrow. So hopefully tomorrow when it rains, it's going to be, I said, about 45. So I figured I'm going to leave it here. I just finished doing it. Everything's a little wet. I took my big black tarp off the top, and this is just a piece of 6 mil that's on the top of it now, but the black top covered everything. So let's see, I'll get out of the way so you can see what everything looks like. And I took some of the frames and put them on the side. I kind of tried to get all the wood. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it do its thing. I actually bought another bottle of a different kind. I wanted to try that, but I think I'm going to wait to see if anything looks a little different before I put another, to see if the other one works. But this seemed to have some good ratings. I really can't get under there and scrub everything. I'm going to get full of it myself. So that's what I did for now. And like I said, this tarp only kind of goes a few inches on the side, as you can see over there. It sticks down about maybe a foot and a foot on that side. So it's covering the top, so all the frames are underneath there. And well, there's a bunch of them on the back, and we're gonna let it do its thing and see what happens. And if that works out, then what I'm going to do is build a big vent in the front, big vent in the back. Probably put my box fan in the back to push air out, and I'm going to cover it back with the black tarp, and we're going to see if we can get all that done before snow flies. Those darn snow flies, they're so pesky. So the snow's supposed to, actually was supposed to snow by now. So if the weather stays below freezing, I think we might be all set. Either way, I'll just do this, cover it for winter, like I said, ventilate it, and we'll see if it freezes. Maybe it won't expand. And in the spring, I'll hit it with some heavy-duty industrial stuff. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. I got a lot of great comments from you folks about the ventilation and about this kind of stuff. So thank you a lot. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.